Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to update your emoji on Android. Over here I'm using an Android from Xiaomi. So what you have to do first, you go to your settings on the upper there and then find the system updates. As you can see, oops, wait, go to your settings, which the setting like this,
or whatever. Well then,
and then after you go to setting and then you find the software update like this, and then you have to click this system apps updater. After that you can see there are several options to update on your systems, so I suggest you to find something like emoji and phone keyboard like this. You just update your keyboard, and then if you want to update the other apps for the system and the launcher, it's optional for you, but for the emojis you have to find this emoji phone and keyboard. If this method doesn't work for you, what you have to do, you go to your Play Store and then you should find the you should update your Gboard. So you just search for Google Keyboard, and then here as you can see I'm already installed the Gboard. If you're not installed the Gboard, I suggest you to install it to use the recently update of emojis. So it's supposed to be here update or install, it depends on your current Android settings and preferences. So that's it, that's very simple tutorial. I recap for you. The first one, you have to update your system, and then the second one, you go to your Gboard on Play Store. Okay, that's it. If you think this content is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.